Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to see archive stories on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to your activity and tap on Activity Log. Tap on Archive at the top left of your screen. Select Story Archive. Here you can see all your archive stories. And that's it. This is how you see your archive stories on Facebook. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.